I'm on the first time in really long time. I'm gonna make hobo packs, foil packs, whatever you want to call them. That is chicken. I'm gonna rinse the chicken out. These are the new, I got these silicone fake Ziploc bags that you can wash and reuse. I'm really happy with them. Let's get this cut up. I'm gonna go wash it. All right, I rinsed out the bag too because this stuff's going back in the bag, but it's safe. I'm gonna trim up the chicken. All right, now I'm gonna chunk this down. I'm gonna cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. You get the idea, right? All right, I realized while I was cutting that I was on the wrong side of the chicken, but now it's all diced up and I'm gonna wash my hands. GoPro. Now we got the zesty Italian dressing. Gonna open that up. I'll shake it up. Get the Ziploc, the Forever Ziploc. And I'll put some in there. And now I'm just gonna start putting chicken in. All right, we'll try to do it when you're on camera, but you get the idea. I'm picking up with the knife because that'll also help the stuff get inside the chicken. Get that out of the way. Put more. Put a lot in there. Zip it closed, hopefully. All right. There we go. And it'll marinate in there for a few hours. Well, it's gonna go in the fridge, obviously, and should suck up that good. Italian dressing's always great for chicken. Okay, and there'll be more later. All right, campfire cooking. All right, I got the fire starters going. All right, we'll let that burn. We'll be back when there's coals to cook on. Go. Now that's fire. That's a fire. All right, as I said, making hobo packs, which I haven't made in forever. The good thing about a foil pack or hobo pack is that you cut everything into bite-sized pieces, so really all you need is a fork or a sharp stick to eat your food with. A lot of potatoes. So I think you need a lot of potatoes for these. All right, we got an onion. Okay, onion. Alright, so that is the non-stick type. I'm still going to spray olive oil spray on it. Okay, we're doing 2 of these. Okay, potatoes. Onion. This was a bit of a windy but very warm day in the UP. Doing carrots too. All right, Creole seasoning. See, I always make these too big because I cook hungry. All right, one of them is getting zucchini. Both of these are getting olive oil. Even though I put the spray down. Both of these are getting red pepper. These are gonna be too big. Alright, and now the chicken that has been marinating in all that chicken. All right, these might end up getting triple wrapped. Okay. All right. Could have been worse. One. I know, right? The second one. Now, this is the non-stick Reynolds wrap. It don't fit in there very well. All right. All right, now this is heavy duty aluminum foil. What you need. And there's gonna be plenty of it. This ain't leaking out. All right, so one ginormous. I couldn't cook hungry. I think some people do 2, but I'm not going to do 2. So the foil packs are done. It'd be easy to tell who's this. All right, that fire is nowhere near ready. I'm going to poke it around a little bit, try to get some more coals going. It's a bigger fire than it looks like. Again, this is a big fire pit. That fire is bigger than it seems. But this is the reason I don't do stuff like this very often. I start cooking when I'm hungry and this isn't ready. All right, there's some coals. We're putting it on. All right, the 2 foil packs are in there on some coals. Not how I wanted to do this. GoPro, stop recording. All right, I'm gonna take this one out. Pull some of these coals out further.
It's not too bad of pizza. Dan, have you ever had pizza from Phil's?
From where?
Phil's restaurant.
No.
Someone just give me a pizza with ham and pineapple. Pretty good. Oh, look at this big concoction. What's this going to be, a pork roast?
All right. The voice you hear is one of the guys that works here at the campground. You can hear him sizzling a little bit, so I think it's doing good. I'm going to do 5 minutes flip and then 10 minutes and flip. Probably a 35 minutes or so, I'm guessing. They're sizzling nice. I think I got good coals under them. Seriously, it's been since my Boy Scout days since I made one. All right, so I moved the fire around a little bit and got under some hot coals. Oh, smoke's getting me. All right, final flip, 5 more minutes will get us to 40 minutes. I think we're gonna be good. It's sizzling pretty good. And we're gonna have to let it cool. All right, 40 minutes on there. We're doing unveiling. I let it rest for a good 5 minutes. I hope I remember doing this right, because you want to turn the one you wrapped first upside down. I wonder if I did it, because I got some oil here. No, I did not, because I'm dumb. Don't do it that way. Okay. I'm gonna open this one. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. Tastes done to me. Okay. Yeah, that's done. All right, we're unveiling the second one. Very simple seasonings on it. Yeah, I did them both wrong. You always want to put the other sealed side down because, you know, smart. And I did them both wrong, so I'm not afraid to admit when I make mistakes. Don't do it the way I did it. I was sitting there in my mind trying to remember while I was cooking these if I did it right. I shouldn't have had to ask. Whew. All right. Those both look good. All right, YouTubers, I'm gonna get them all plated up and then we'll do taste tests. Nothing burned at all, and I made mine big enough that I was able to share some with the great guy that works on staff here. All right, taste test. Chicken. Came out really good. Zucchini. Onion. Gotta get a potato. Here you go, YouTubers. There is a hobo pack, foil pack, whatever you want to call them. They are good eating. 40 minutes on a fire. I think they turned out great. So try this on your next trip. It's always tough for me to do because I just don't have the patience to wait for a fire to get ready. Oh wait, there's carrot. Carrot came back good. Little crunch left to it. Almost perfect. And red pepper, hot and good. So I will say again, have a great and wonderful day.